Today we're going to be talking about fireworks, the different types, and safety tips. Today we're going to be talking about the different types of fireworks, and they start off with Class A, which is usually around a 12-inch ball, which is shot up into the air. The consistency of that is a larger ground firework, which normally you will not see unless it's in a firework display such as the White House or the Washington Memorial displays they have in Washington, D.C. or the bigger cities. The Class B fireworks, which you see usually in your local community, shot off at ballparks and different events, you can get those at larger suppliers, but you must have a special Class B license to shoot those and also to purchase those. You must be also professionally trained to do that and to have those through the American Pyrotechnics Association to be certified through that and to be able to cover those areas to be able to shoot a ball anything from 2¼ inches up to a 12-inch ball. Okay, if you were looking at shooting Class B fireworks or purchasing them, you will have to go through a mandated FBI background check to get those. And usually that consists of ATF also. And you have to go through an extensive checkout to check your background, the same thing you do when getting a gun permit. But it's a little bit more involved. You would also have to go through regulations of where you carry your fireworks, where they are stored at. And of course, federal government needs to know that at all times if you shot the fireworks or if you're still housing them. And of course, what you've used, so that way you can't just, give them to friends and neighbors, but you have to be certified to be able to do that. Also, the Class C fireworks, which most of you are normally familiar with, are what we shoot in our backyards, and they consist of the fireworks you see here that we have behind. And they are common fireworks, meaning they are usually somewhere around the 1.4 gram level, which is a standard throughout the states for fireworks. And I think it covers most of the states with that. You'll have to check with your state to find out the laws and regulations restricting these fireworks.